72 feels like 72.
$58.
60.
Oh my god. You.
I'm sure you lost it. Didn't even say goodbye. Just wish I knew what caused it. Was the whiskey flowing? Were you in?
Don't have the Uno game.
40.
Why?
42.
That wasn't even in the video, by the way. How many cards do you have?
At least 70.
How many does Shadow have?
52. At least 70.
How many months did you plan on leaving? What happened? Bad habits. Did you go back? I loved you. How tragic. Oh, did you stop working? Did your truck break? Did you burn through money? Did your ex find out? There's a will and there's a way, and I'm damn sure you lost it.
Oh my god! Come on, Shadow, you can do it! You gotta wait! You have to wait, wait. Oh, no, okay. Too late! No, not yet, go! Ready? No. Look at that way! Ready? No, not yet, you too early!
Okay, what you have to do is try to keep it warm.
That's a big wave! Oh damn! Metal!
What's to say? It's all we talked about. I packed the car, bring your guitar, and drink the smoking. First thing done.
76 feels like 76.
Waited on the porch floor, sat there alone. All throughout the morning, got a hunch down in the gut and snuck.
Look at that!
Truck break, did you burn through money? Did your ex find out? There's a will and there's a way, and I'm damn sure you lost it. Didn't even say goodbye. Just wish I knew what caused it. Was the whiskey flowing? Were you in a fight? Did the nurse come get you? What's your alibi? I made my way back to LA, and that's where you'll be forgotten.